Hey guys, it's Paige and Olivia, and today we're making
Slime.
what kind of slime?
Purple and blue.
And we're using this kit to do it, and it has everything we need. Ready to get started?
Yeah, just start it.
So we have our bowl, and step one is to put 15 milliliters of clear glue. So here's the glue, and here's your stick. Can you pour it in there please, Olivia?
Sure.
It's really sticky, so you gotta scrape it out.
So go clear glue. Stop that.
Okay, next we're gonna put 25 milliliters of water in here. So you could pour it and I'll stir it in there. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, so now we're gonna put the color in. What color is it we putting in?
Blue.
Blue. I think we're gonna make a mess. Are you gonna make a mess, Olivia?
No. Oh yeah, baby.
And what's this?
I heard it's beer.
We're gonna put in some purple glitter.
Yeah.
Because why not?
It should happen. It'll happen or I'll mess it.
Yes. So let's shake it in there.
I took it.
Wow.
That is just a curly.
So glittery. Are we gonna put this whole packet of glitter?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, we are. Whoa.
Oh, it's a chocolate glue.
And now the last step is for us to put 5 milliliters of slime activator. Thank you, ma'am. Can you mix it? Mix it good. It's starting to stick together. Keep mixing it. I'm gonna put some more slime activator in it. Some little drops. So now we have it all mixed up. You wanna show them?
Yeah.
Okay. Why don't you mix it? Wow. It really formed together. Wow.
Dies.
You can stretch it.
Okay.
So what kind of slime is this? This isn't the foam kind.
That's just question.
Yeah.
It looks like some sort of caution in my slime.
Do you think this slime came out good?
Yeah, it's slime so good.
What kind of slime do you want to make next time?
It's not like some scratch.
Did we put glitter in it?
The glitter on it.
We put a lot of glitter in it.
It's a lot of glitter.
Did you have fun making it?
Yeah, I have fun to make it. Yeah.
If you want to see more of Get a Clue with Olivia Blue,
Just go down below.
comment down below. Bye guys.
Bye guys.
See you later.
See you later.